CapCut Desktop Recover Password. How to recover password on CapCut. So if you want to recover your desktop password for CapCut PC, normally when you want to sign in on CapCut, you would open the CapCut app and just click the sign in button from the top left of the screen, and here you have multiple options to sign in with TikTok, Facebook, or your Google account. Or you could also be able to use the QR code feature to sign into your respective account. So CapCut does not have an independent account like separate email ID or password which you could use to basically reset your password. So if you want to log in, you sign in with TikTok. Now if you forgot the password for your TikTok account, then that is a different matter. But in this case, you can go ahead and select the continue button right here to be able to go ahead and then log into your account. So I hope this video helped to clarify. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.